Good morning, everyone. Today it's going to be a get ready with me, but I also want to include the hydration mist that is coming free for any $100 order this week. We do have another how many days? We have 3 more days for the promotion to end. So I wanted to show get ready with me, but wherever I'm going to use this product, which is so versatile. Today I just showered, but I don't have even a skincare on my face because I wanted to include that also in my get ready today. So that way I can show you how I'm going to use this product in multiple ways. So the first thing is today I'm not going to do a elaborate skincare. I'm keeping it very simple. That way majority of you will have that. So the first product that I'm going to use is obviously climate control. If you know climate control, I have talked about it enough times. It has the hyaluronic acid that is going to be like gathered to your face, to your skin. So it is naturally present in your skin, but as we age it reduces. So that's why we add climate control, because a hyaluronic acid can hold 1,000 times of its molecular weight. That much water it can hold. So here what I'm going to do is, before climate control, I'm going to use the hydration mist. Why is that? Because this can pull moisture from wherever it can from the environment. So that way when I spritz this first and then I put climate control on top, it is going to have all the moisture sucked into our skin. So that's the one I'm going to use. So I'm going to just spritz it all over, and then I will go ahead with my climate control. So that way if you're not comfortable, you can always use, for climate control I don't like to waste, so I always like it to have it in my hand for like 2 or 3 pumps. This is how much you need. You are just going to press it. So both of them is going to make your skin so hydrated. Even though mine is a combination skin, as you know, mostly my T-zone is oily, whereas my rest of the side is going to be dry. So that way putting this moisture is going to really help keeping my skin hydrated. So that too in this harsh weather, when we are stepping out and being even inside with the same as being circulated, it's going to feel so dry. So that way it can really help. And I know last week many of you have got the here I'm going to add the rejuvenating new anti-wrinkle serum. So that is the next thing I'm going to use after climate control. And if you have gotten even the silk itself is a pore and wrinkle minimizer, but if you think of this one, this is again going to help with pore reducing size. It's going to tighten the pores, and also it's going to repair damaged skin cells, and it is going to be having our Senaplex complex again. So it's going to help cellular renewal. So whether you have daytime moisturizer, make sure you spritz it before that too. So this is not like you need to have in every step. I'm just using, for example, if you don't have climate control and you have only daytime moisturizer or silk, you can still spritz it and then put the daytime moisturizer on top of this. That way it is going to pull all the moisture from the daytime or the silk and sealed it in your face. So make sure you use it. It can be used in either way, as a skincare and as a after makeup setting spray kind, because it's not going to break the makeup. I know it is always a confusion whether these both are similar. Climate control can be used only under makeup as a skincare, whereas this can be used in both ways. Whether you are in a winter place where it is too dry, or you are in a summer place and you are getting sunburns or too flashy once you go out and all, then you can use it in either ways. For winter also it's going to help with hydration, and summer if you can just refrigerate it and spritz it, it will help for sunburns, or even if you're just getting out of shower and if you're going to moisturize with what's it like uh, body lotion or shea butter, then spritz it all over your legs or hands and then apply the cream. That way you will get everywhere, you will get double benefits of it. Before going to the makeup, the other thing I always do is I always like to use my lip volumizer, because that way when I'm getting ready, this is going to keep my lips hydrated and moisturized. So when I apply lip sense or even a lip balm or anything, my skin is already moisturized and well nourished. So that's the step I always do whenever I'm getting ready. And the second thing where you can use it, for example, if you're applying a foundation or CCTM in your brush, or even in your what to say, like a beauty blender. Here I don't have availability of water, so I can always use this on top of the beauty blender or on my brush. That way they don't soak up much of the foundation, because you have to always what to say, like you have to always dampen your beauty blender, otherwise it's going to suck up so much product and you will waste it. So here I'm going to use our medium deep CCTM. Being winter, it is little darker to my skin tone. Since I'm not tanning, what I like to do is I like to do a little bit of concealer. That way I get what to say, like extra coverage, but at the same time it adjusts to my skin tone. So not a lot, I'm just going to add a tiny bit. You can see the difference. Medium deep is little darker, whereas the medium concealer is little light. That way when I mix them, it gives the perfect shade for me. So this is another way you can use the what to say, like the hydration mist. And here I'm just going to press it on my skin, like stippling it. Have you heard about a YouTuber, Ankita Chaturvedi? Like she's one of my favorite YouTuber. She is very famous Indian YouTuber who always, I mean, she is famous for her makeup looks, her skincare reviews, and also she always talks about body positivity. So I really like her videos. I have tried many too. And yesterday or day before yesterday, she posted a video where she talked about hyaluronic acid and having a mist. I will try to include a screenshot of that reels from Instagram. That is what we are talking about here. So here we are talking about the hydration mist before having the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin. As I said, keeping your skin hydrated and moisturized is going to help from forming any fine lines and wrinkles. Here the hydration mist is also high to have vitamin A, C and E. So anytime when you have vitamin E, it is going to gently exfoliate. So I can't stress about how much is the importance of what is it, like using exfoliator in your skin routine, because that is going to help make your skin look really nice, and the makeup will adhere better, and also it won't be patchy at all. When you do even just twice a week for, like, I would say even 3 months to 4 months, you will see a huge difference in your skincare, because that is penetrating well, as well as your foundation or CCTM is adhering better. So far we just used CCTM and concealer. Here I'm going to color correct my eyes using a concealer. Here we are not doing, since it's a very quick get ready, we are not doing any what is it, like a eye shadow for today. So I'm going to just like a flat brush and just going to conceal it all over. You can use it with the shadow sense too. Here I already brought the concealer, so I'm using the same. Color correcting will clear out the veins and make it look like a blank canvas for you to do anything. I'm going to use the black brown pencil for my eyebrows. You can use rustic brown. I don't have much to fill and it's like a quick and easy look. So I'm just using whatever I brought in. That way it is like not too many products and just with few. As I said, I'm not going to do like a perfect fill in. I'm just filling wherever I have like just a sparse areas alone. So to go with my outfit, I'm going to use the black eyeliner pencil in my waterline. I think when I used it last time, many asked it, what is the one I have used in my waterline? This one, you can use it as a kajal. It's so creamy and it is easy to use. Like any of our pencils will make your what is it, like look so easy to put together, because they are nice and creamy and there is no need for any sharpening or anything. And if you are living in a cold place, just sit on it and keep it close to your body so that it can melt really creamy when you apply. You want to do to top waterline, just hold it like this and you will be able to do without the top eyeliner, so that will make to look your what is it, like the eyelashes thicker, so and it's a easy thing to do. My eyes are bigger, so I'm able to go all the way in. If you have a little smaller eyes, make sure you stop at the outer line, that way it won't be closed. Like if you have a smaller line, then you don't want to go all the way in. And then the next thing is obviously using our non-waterproof mascara. Here I like to curl my lashes a bit. So I like to just hold it for like 10 seconds. That way it helps to curl the lashes. And another tip to use your mascara is, don't, but when you are taking out, don't push it. Instead, swirl it in slowly. That way you get the product. At that same time, you don't put too much air inside it. So I like to coat my top and bottom. That really helps to show the natural lashes. So make sure you do your top and bottom, I mean this way. That way it is like, you can see it's already showing up really nicely. Since we curled it, it makes it easier. And once you do that, you can always slightly wiggle it and make it lengthier. Actually, as you know, our mascara has a ingredient called Capixel, which is in our hair recovery shampoo too. That is really going to help grow the lashes while you wear them. So it is like a benefit wearing a mascara. When you use our mascara, you can go up to 3 coats. You can see the difference between my normal one to here. Today I didn't even use the 3-in-1 lash primer. If I use that, you will have more length actually, and it always enhances it. And since it's a very quick get ready, I didn't use it for today, but you can always use it again. That has our Capixel too, and it will actually what is it, like condition the lashes before it goes. That's why that is also called 3-in-1 lash primer. And the other tip I recently learned from my what's it, like the training I went, is using the mascara wand pointing towards your nose. When it comes to your left side, it's a little trickier, but try doing it. I know it's more of a practice that makes it easier for you to apply more and more. The next one we are going to use is, here we are going to use terracotta blush. With terracotta, you can use it in 2 ways. You can use it for your color correction for your under eye dark circle, and you can always use as a blush. So make sure you take it and just bump it here itself. That way you get it spread really well before you go. It is such a, what is it, like a very nice soft subtle brush. So that way you don't have to have like too much what is it, like pinkish ones. This is such a perfect one for even everyday blush, as also for spring. It looks amazing. I like to take it all the way up. That way it looks your cheeks will look really flushed, and you can see how small amount I took. I still have a lot of left. So when you comes to Senegen's products, always start small, otherwise you will have so much too. And if you think like you have added a lot, just go back with your foundation brush and just blend out the corners. So that way you don't have to worry about it. You can fix it anytime. You can just blend out. You don't even need any product. You can just press it, and that will make it look nicer. The last step of getting ready is adding a gloss, or you can use a lip balm or even our lip sense. So I'm going to use the watermelon gloss for today because I really love how soft it is. Like, it's a very light pink. It is, even though it looks what is like Barbie pink in tube, it goes really very soft pink. So I really like to wear it for everyday looks. You're in a winter place, and if you don't want to wear lip sense every day, make sure you to wear your whether you have a pigmented gloss or our glossy gloss, or even our matte gloss. You can wear anything just as your lip balm for every day. That way the day you wear Lipsons, even if it is what is it, like, it will not be chapped or dry. I know many of you will be like, I'm getting a tingling sensation. That's because your lips are not hydrated well enough and it's chapped. So having these like a everyday one will be really easy for you to keep it moisturized. So make sure to do that. So that's all about the get ready. You can see now we can use on top of my makeup. So if you're someone who has really dry skin, I know when you have used other products, ours is not going to be cakey, but still I have always heard people say my skin gets too dry or cakey once I wear any foundation, so I'm really worried about it. So this is like a perfect go-to for people like you, because you can always spritz it on top of your makeup and it's not going to break it, and you can use it as a setting spray too. With SeneGence makeup you don't need one because they are all day wear by itself. They are cream to powder, so they are going to set whether you have your Lipsons, whether you have your foundation, eyesens, CCTM, anything is going to be by itself. But this will add what is like a dewy finish, and also it's going to keep you self hydrated. It's not going to increase moisture by 1 or 2%. Within 30 minutes of spritzing, it's going to increase it by 88%, which is such a huge improvement in 30 minutes. So let's see how you can spritz it on top of the makeup. You can do how much ever you want, and as I said, you can do how many times you want. After 3 hours, if you feel still dry, you can do it again. So if you traveling and you want your skin to be hydrated while traveling, then you do. I have always used it the days I'm so tired. I will always make sure to remove my makeup, but still if I'm not in a mood to do like my skincare steps, then I will do this and then do my nighttime moisturizer alone and then go back to sleep. That way it pulls all the moisture from the nighttime moisture and seal it in, and my skin is still hydrated. So it's like a multiple ways you can use this product. And as I said, my son loves it because before going to school, if he sees any patches, he can always spritz it over, and by 30 minutes it's well hydrated, and he doesn't have that anymore. So it's such a versatile product and it smells so amazing. So it's going to be there till 21st for you to grab on. So if you are placing any order, whether it can be Lipsons hair care, whether it's an foundation, or even a skincare stock up, make sure you do it and pick this product free, because it's such a, once you try it, that's why we send even samples, because when you try it you get an idea. So similar way, when you have this product, and it's going to last you so long, because it's just a spritz, it will be like at least for 4 to 6 months, even how much ever you spray it, that's how much product is there. So utilize the offer and grab one and enjoy it. Have a wonderful day. Hope you like the get ready with me today.